Human genetic information. Before going into the detail of human genetic information, let's define genetics. Genetics is a study of heredity and variations of inherited characteristics. अगर माँ के बाल काले हैं और इसी तरह बाप के भी बाल काले हैं तो बच्चों के भी बाल काले ही होंगे. So this is how the inheritance takes place. Now, what is responsible for inheritance actually? It is DNA, which is actually a genetic material that is transferred from the parents to the offsprings, and genes are the unit of heredity. Now, the genetic makeup of an individual is known as genotype, and the physical appearance of an individual is known as phenotype. So we mainly deal with genotype and with phenotype whenever we deal with the human genetic information. Now, what are the uses of human genetic information? Human genetic information के ज़रिए हम किसी भी इंसान में ये प्रेडिक्ट कर सकते हैं कि क्या उसको फ्यूचर में ये डिजीज़ होगी. अगर डिफेक्टिव जीन्स उस पॉपुलेशन में हैं, स्पेशली इन दैट इंडिविजुअल, देन देयर आर चांसेस कि पर्सन फ्यूचर में और लेटर इन हिज और हर लाइफ विल डेवलप अ जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर. For example, if the person is showing the phenotypic features of Down syndrome, then there is trisomy 21. If the patient is showing the symptoms of Turner syndrome, then it is trisomy 18, or it can be Klinefelter syndrome. Now, through gene analysis, we can also respond to different drugs. For example, warfarin. Warfarin एक blood thinner है. जीन एनालिसिस के ज़रिए हम वार्फरिन की अमाउंट यानी कि डोज को आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं. अगर हम वार्फरिन की डोज बहुत ज़्यादा दे दें, देन इट विल लीड टू सीवियर ब्लीडिंग प्रॉब्लम्स एंड कैन लीड टू द डेथ ऑफ द पेशेंट एज वेल. सो जीन एनालिसिस हेल्प्स in the diagnosis, in the treatment, as well as in determining the amount of the drug. Now, through gene analysis, we can also analyze that how quickly, how rapidly the person can metabolize the product. For example, codeine is an analgesic. अगर हम किसी बंदे में ये दवाई दें तो it can lead to the death of the patient. How? Because if the patient has high metabolic rate and leads to the more production of metabolic byproducts, then it can lead to the death of the patient due to breathing problems. इन सारी चीज़ों से बचने के लिए जीन एनालिसिस बहुत ज़रूरी है ताकि हम कोडीन की एक स्पेसिफिक अमाउंट दे, और अगर पेशेंट में कोडीन तेज़ी से मेटाबोलाइज हो रही है तो हम ऐसी दवाई को यूज़ ना करें. Then the other uses of genetic information is that we can also use to identify the genetic disorders, whether it is Down syndrome, whether it is Turner syndrome, whether it is Klein syndrome, or any other sort of genetic disorder. Even autoimmune diseases are also genetic disorders. It is believed that most of the genes related with autoimmune diseases are present on major histocompatibility complex. Now, what is major histocompatibility complex? It is commonly known as HLA, and the stretch of genes are present on the chromosome 6. More than 100 genes are present on chromosome 6 that make up the whole major histocompatibility complex. So through human genetic information, we can also diagnose that whether the population or the individual is prone to the specific autoimmune disease in future or not. Then we can also diagnose the genetic disorder before birth. We can diagnose Down syndrome, we can diagnose phenylketonuria and many other genetic disorders before birth, so that physicians can counsel the parents about the risk of having the disease in their future babies. और ये decisions parents ले सकते हैं कि चाहे उन्हें heart choices लेनी पड़े, चाहे उन्हें abortion की तरफ जाना पड़े, चाहे उन्हें family planning की तरफ जाना पड़े. Now, through human genetic information, genetic screening is very important. For example, couple comes to know about that they are carrier to cystic fibrosis or to the Huntington's disease, तो इसके बाद फिजिशियंस काउंसल करते हैं पेरेंट्स को कि वो आगे इतने % चांसेस उनके बच्चों में इस डिजीज़ के हो सकते हैं. Either it is 25%, either it is 50%, or either it is 75%. It depends upon the parents that whether how much they are carrying the mutation. For example, if the one gene carrier is involved, then there are chances of 25%. So carrier is the individual who is carrying the mutated gene but is not showing any symptom, but they have the chances to transfer the risk to the offsprings. Then human genetic information can be used for research purposes. इसके लिए genetic information ना सिर्फ हम patient से individual से लेते हैं बल्कि हमें complete family history भी लेनी पड़ती है. Either those are the family members or they can be the relatives. So human genetic information is drawn on the paper in the form of pedigree.